okra and eggplant. Lady finger and eggplant will be my ah lunch. I'm just going to steam it and that's all. Yeah, for 1 month. It's for 1 month. I'm not able to eat anything I want because if I eat the food that the doctor said not I'm not allowed to eat, I will get again so many allergy all over my body. So I'm going to be a good girl. I will be a good girl. Well, now, let's clean the towel niya. Thank you, nobody. Ay, I'm going to put you my moderator pala. I forgot. Because you are my friend. Now you are. I'm going to leave now, nobody. Thank you for the time. Are you going anywhere? No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to clean the house and cook and then breastfeed the baby and then clean again, cook again, clean. Nakabot pa yan. Look, dinikwat na naman ng tao na yun.
Sige, Jing.
Ito da. Okay, power makita. Suotin mo muna ng diaper.